Step 1. Open the cardboard packaging. Please place the package with the arrow facing upwards. Open the cardboard box. Remove the paper padding and accessories box. Check the items and accessories box. Step 2. Remove the bicycle from the cardboard. Remove the bicycle from the cardboard. Please do not apply force to the smart control screen so as to avoid damage. Wedge the front fork into the side of the box. Ensure that the bicycle is stable and not shaking. Remove the Velcro and padding from the seat post, handlebars, and other parts. Remove control screen sticker. Step 3. Installing front wheel. Remove the front wheel protective sheet and front fork protective bar. Hold the front wheels on the ground steadily so that the arrow marked on the outside of the tire faces forward. Align the front fork with the front wheel slot and insert. Remove the quick release lever nut and conical spring on the same side. Insert the quick release lever into the front wheel axis. Ensure that the front quick release handle and rear quick release handle are both on the same side of the bicycle. Insert the conical spring and tighten the quick release lever nut. Tighten the quick release handle to a safe point. Use hex wren to loosen the screw of the brake pads. Switch the brake pads until they approach the parallel position with the wheel. Make sure the brake pads could touch the wheel in the most way, then tighten the screw of the brake pads. Step 4. Adjust the handlebars. Adjust the handlebars to the correct steering angle. The stem, tire, and top tube center should be in the same center line. Loosen the tour screws on the bottom cover of the stem from opposite diagonals. Align the vertical 0 scale and horizontal 0 scale of the handlebars and stem bottom cover respectively. Sequentially, lock the 4 screws on the bottom cover of the stem from opposite diagonals. Use even force on the 4 screws and ensure that the gap between the bottom cover of the stem and stem is of equal width at the top and bottom. Step 5. Installing the seat post. A power contact is respectively in the seat post and seat tube of the frame. Please align the wire insertion slot. Evenly apply carbon fiber anti-slip agent on the seat post and insert into the frame seat tube. Adjust the seat height to fit the individual. The height of the locked seat post must be higher than the safety line of the seat post. Lock the seat post locking screw. After successfully powering up, the tail lights will flash once and the smart control will be turned on at the same time. Step 6. Installing pedals. Pick up the pedals. Check the text in the center to distinguish between the left and right. L is the left pedal, R is the right pedal. Use a hex tool to screw the pedal onto the crank thread. After the thread is fully locked, slowly apply pressure to the pedal to tighten the lock. Step 7. Installing the cadence sensor magnet. The speed-sensitive magnet and speed cadence receiver are already installed for you. You simply need to insert the cadence sensor magnet into the hexagonal hole on the inside of the left pedal. Step 8. Pump up the tires. Squeeze off the gas nozzle dust cover. Twist the switch until it reaches to the top of the valve. Insert the pump cover onto the nozzle. Start pumping. Based on rider weight and riding environment, the tire air pressure can be pumped within the range of recommended value. Remove the pump cover from the nozzle. Twist the switch until it reaches the bottom of the valve and squeeze the dust cover back into place. Step 9. Smart control and mobile phone connection. Activate the SpeedX app. Press and hold the control key on the right side. The control will enter pairing weight status. Activate the Bluetooth on the mobile phone. Find your personal home page. Enter My Hardware. Select SpeedX. Wait until the connection is successful. Step 10. Bicycle checks. We highly suggest to check the bicycle before riding each time. Here we demonstrate the simple steps for regular checking. For the details, please check the Bicycle User Manual. Brake checking. Check the position of the brakes. We assembled the brakes according to your local brake using regulation. For example, for UK users, the rear brake is controlled by left hand and the front brake is controlled by right hand. Otherwise, for some countries, the rear brake is controlled by right hand and front brake is controlled by left hand. Please twirl the front and rear wheel in right-left way. Pinch the brakes with your finger to make sure the function works properly. Gear checking. Remove the rear wheel off the ground. Twirl the pedals and shift gears. Observe and confirm that there is no jumping fault or lag, etc. in each gear. Displaying of the cadence on Smart Control. The progress will be the same with the gear checking. Twirl the pedals and press the home page bottom and check if the cadence displays on the Smart Control properly.